Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to block and unblock people on Instagram. Let's get started. While much of the internet might feel like the Wild West, Instagram should feel like a relatively safe space for you to connect with friends and express yourself. After all, you should be in charge of who has front row seats to your life. In reality, nosy relatives, bosses, and frenemies often make Instagram a stressful place where establishing boundaries feels unnecessarily awkward. Getting the hang of how to block someone on Instagram without making waves is easier than it sounds, thanks to the built-in features like discrete settings and mute options. Blocking is the final frontier of your interaction with someone on Instagram. While you can always unblock them, the action denies them access to your Instagram account. When you block someone on Instagram, they won't get a notification letting them know you've revoked their access to your page. But they will be able to see that they've been blocked if they look you up while they're logged out. When someone blocks you on Instagram, their account won't show up in a search, and if you see them tagged in a post, their profile will yield a blank page. You won't be able to see any of their posts or follower information, or be able to add them. There are multiple ways to block someone on Instagram. You can also view your blocked accounts list from the Instagram app, where you can choose to block other people or unblock someone on the list. People aren't notified when you block them. When you block someone from the Instagram app, you'll have the option to block their account, or to block their account and new accounts they may create. If you don't want to block someone, you can delete their comments from your posts, or you can block multiple people from commenting on your posts. So let me show you those different ways. First, how to block or unblock someone through settings. First, go to your profile. Tap here or your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Next, tap the three line in the top right. Then, tap Settings. Click Privacy. Then tap Blocked Accounts. To unblock someone on your blocked accounts list, tap Unblock to the right of their name. Tap Unblock again to confirm. To add someone to your blocked accounts list, tap the plus icon in the top right and search for the person you'd like to block. Tap Block to the right of their name. To block the account and new accounts they may create, tap Block at the bottom to confirm. If you prefer to only block that account, tap here next to the block username. Then tap Block again to confirm. Now to block or unblock someone through direct, tap this icon or this icon in the top right of the feed. Tap the chat with the person you want to block or unblock. Tap the person's name at the top of your chat. Then click on Block or Unblock. Then tap again to confirm. Next, let me show you how to block or unblock someone through their profile. Tap their username from the feed or story post. Or tap this icon and search their username to go to their profile. Tap this icon in the top right. To block the account and new accounts they may create, tap Block at the bottom to confirm. If you prefer to only block that account, tap this icon next to the block username. Then tap Block again to confirm. And there you have it, how to block or unblock someone on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. And before this video ends, did you know that you can get a software that gets perfect titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags, and tells you which keywords are hard to rank and which are easy? It can get the exact optimizations that you need to rank on number 1. You can keep collections of your favorite channels, videos, tags, and hashtags, and optimize any videos in minutes, not hours. And that is TubeRank G4. Stop being in the background and get your #1 rankings plus traffic with TubeRanked 4. It's a powerful video SEO optimization in minutes. It's the easiest YouTube ranking and traffic system invented, with just 3 steps. Step 1. Identify the keywords you want to rank. Step 2. Follow TubeRanked's instruction. And Step 3. Enjoy the traffic. So, try TubeRanked 4 now. Go to tuberankedt.com. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.